Hey guys, welcome to Cajun Homestead and Beekeeping. I'm doing a little bit of maintenance today on my bee frames, and I want to show you all a little bit. It's not all enjoyable. Last year I put up a bunch of frames that had pollen and brood frames and stuff like that, and it didn't work out too good. I put them in a big tote. Thought I had taped around them all good enough, but the wax moth got into it and ate all the frames. I mean, I'm stuck with a mess. So I'm cleaning them up using a brush. I saw Mr. Mike Berry cleaning them up with a brush. I thought I'd try that, and it seems to be working out pretty good. So I'm cleaning them up, and then I'm gonna rewax them and then put them back in the boxes. Let me show you what kind of mess I got here. Okay, these are some of the ones I've already cleaned. I brushed them off. But this is some of the mess I got. These frames are horrible. I mean, the wax moth have just totally eaten all the wax off the frame. And being a new beekeeper, you learn the hard way. Here's some more. Just have totally eaten everything off. There wasn't a bit of wax. Here's one that had a little bit of wax left on it, but I'm gonna go ahead and scrape it. And believe it or not, all these frames had comb, but guess what? They ate it. So now, if you look over here, my honey supers, well, that's the one right there, they didn't touch the wax, and that's because they like to have pollen on it. They start off with pollen in the brood frames, and they just go to town. But these right here, they haven't touched them. So I got a bunch of honey supers. At least I'll be able to reuse those. Here's a couple of brood frames that made it. These were actually left in the boxes with the tops open in the light, and the wax moth didn't touch them. So here's some that I'm gonna try to salvage. I don't know, the bees might clean them up, might not, but that's what I gotta do. I've got a bunch in here left, a couple right there, and look at the mess. I mean, this is all garbage, just garbage. Okay, I'm gonna take these clean ones and I'm gonna rewax them. I'm gonna show you that. Okay, I got me a little strainer with a small crock pot that I just melted some wax, but I got it cooling down outside. But all I got is another crock pot with a little foam brush, and I got the wax melted. And I'm gonna take these old dirty ones that I've brushed off, and I'm gonna just rewax them. And I'm gonna try it out. Hopefully it'll work. It's just a matter of rolling on the wax. I don't think you can get too much on there. I think the bees will just use it up wherever they want. I think the more wax is going to be better for them. Make them want to redraw it, hopefully. Just like that. Try another one. Get me some more wax. gotta watch because you will burn yourself with this. And it's a lasting burn until it cools off. So I'm gonna put these in hives that will remember to go back and check and see how they're doing. That way we can see if this is working, or if this happens again, which I hope it's not gonna happen to me next year. I'm gonna have to come up with another way to store my frames. But yeah, seems to be doing good. So I'm gonna keep on working at this and get them all done. All right, guys. Thanks for watching Cajun Homestead and Beekeeping. And if you like what I'm doing, just give me a like and a subscribe. And don't forget to ring that bell. All right.
And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need.